What's up, everyone? We are checking in after the tropical storm that ripped through here last night. Tropical storm Fred. It was a little interesting to watch. The entire neighborhood was out and the road was just flooded. I'll put a picture of it here. But tomatoes seem okay. The good thing is things were going to get ripped out anyway because they were on their way out. If you can see the squash. So those weren't looking too good. The butternut almost got washed down the road in the flood. It moved the vines and all of the sunflowers got knocked over, which is okay if that's the only thing we lost. It has a smell of sewage because there was plenty of sewage. And we are going to check the peppers. So sunflowers there got destroyed. We cut a few of them down. The tomatoes held up somehow on their trellising, so we'll still have some tomatoes. And then let me see if I can get around. Today was going to be the fall seeding day anyway, so carrots, beets, spinach, peas, all that was going in the ground. It's mid-August, so it's time for the fall garden. So we have a bunch of empty beds anyway, thankfully, so all those are going to get planted today since we have the moisture, and I might as well. But the butternut are still taking over the entire lawn, and we'll go around and check out the pepper bed. Flowers spared seems okay, which is odd. So flowers are still as beautiful as ever somehow, and peppers I will need to trellis back up. So they didn't get ripped off the plant and the flowers look okay, so I'll wrap them back up. And it was pretty bad wind. It was we were probably getting 50-mile-an-hour gusts, so it wasn't hurricane force yet, but it was rough. So all in all, we escaped for the most part. We have heard multiple farms in neighboring towns, and within a half-hour, 45-minute radius, lost a lot of hay, a lot of their entire vegetable gardens. Animals even, some got washed away. There were mudslides and rock slides last night blowing up everyone's phone on the sides of highways. Entire portions of the town are flooded still because there's 3 rivers that run through the town, so we got it's probably 4 or 5 inches of rain very quickly, and everything overflowed, all the streams. So we're very lucky that we still have food and that we didn't suffer any flooding damage elsewhere. But we will count our blessings, and fall garden will go in today and tomorrow, and we'll give you an update when everything sprouts.